How to comment anonymously on Facebook group. Today I'm going to show you how to comment anonymously on Facebook groups or posts, whether you're looking to express your opinion without revealing your identity or just want to participate without getting noticed. This video is for you. First things first, open your Facebook account. Now, first thing, make sure you're a member of the Facebook group where you want to comment anonymously. Go to settings, three horizontal bars, and go to the groups. Now you can choose where you want to comment. Now here you need to check if anonymous comment is allowed. In order to comment anonymously, the group admin needs to have enabled the anonymous posting feature for that group. If the feature is turned on, you'll see an option to post anonymously when you go to comment. As you can see, anonymous post, click on got it. Now here you can choose to write or comment whatever you prefer, like this. You can also choose the background or whatever you prefer, like this. And you can even add photos, location. You can see the toggle here that says post anonymously. Simply don't turn it off and click on post. After that, your anonymous post will be posted like this.